Hi guys. Hi guys. I'm back again. I know it's been very late. The point is that I have another makeup video for you guys today. I don't know if I'm gonna make this a beauty channel. I don't know what this channel is gonna be. I don't know, either that or, I was also thinking about just making it, also a blog channel as well. I don't know. There's just gonna be a whole bunch of other stuff too, but I don't know. Don't take my word on that. Anyway, I'm going to do a makeup video today though. That's what today's gonna be about. Okay, so what I have with me right now today is all of my makeup. Right here, basically. I'm getting more serious, especially with this Anastasia Beverly Hills. What? This is what I've also been doing for the past couple of days. Your basic everyday extremeness. Okay, let's get started. What I have with me is the Mary Kay foundation primer. And it's SPF of 15. I'm just gonna get maybe that much. Let's also start off by putting on foundation. As usual, my products. Drugstore. Well, some of them. I keep looking up here. I'm supposed to be looking there. I need to figure that out. Anyway, this is in the color Buff Beige. Buff? Oh. Sorry. It's a 130 of the Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation in matte and poreless. Let's just put that in the back of my hand here. And let me just make wonders with this sad face. I'm just gonna use this brush right here. I also like to use a beauty blender, but I can't find it at the moment because someone, I'm not gonna name who, my sister, but yeah, she lost my beauty blender. I want it back. This light is terrible. It's my lamp. Oh, that's a little better. I got most of it on. So next what I'm gonna do is I'm going to be putting on, bronzer and stuff like that. I'm going to be using BH Cosmetics Blushed Neutrals 26 color eyeshadow and blush palette. Since these are like kind of matte colors, I really like to use like maybe like one of these colors, maybe like that one to like darken it right here. I used it last time in my last video. And this is the e.l.f. complexion brush. If you can tell by what that is right here. I'm just gonna use that. Now that I have that, I'm gonna go in with my Avon Glow Bronzing Pearls in the shade Bronzed. It's the same one that I used in the last video. Because why not? Next thing we're going to do is we're going to blush our face using blush. I'm going to just use one of these blushes and I'm just going to go in with this color right here. And we're just going to... Next, we're going to come in with something that I love to use. I'm going to be using this brush right here that looks like this. This is a foundation brush, but I like to use this. I'm just gonna take my Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray, the long lasting, and we're just gonna coat this. The Radiant Glow Baked Highlighter and Bronzer by Style Essentials. I got this for $5 at Target, and I love it because it's amazing. Like, I usually go for these two colors, and let me just show you. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but oh my god. These are like bombing. These are like, look at that. I keep looking over here. I'm supposed to look over here. I'm sorry. We're just gonna go in with this color right here. I'm just gonna put this all over our faces. Because right now it's... I'm gonna really pack this brush. One more squints. Oh, I don't know if you can see that glow though. Like, I didn't realize that my dog had been barking in the background the whole time. Next, we are going to do my favorite part of my makeup. I don't ever do my makeup without doing my eyes. I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I'm just gonna go in with one of my brushes. I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow C brush by e.l.f. We're gonna go in with Golden Archer. Okay. This one right here, the golden one. I don't have any eye primer or anything. I'm just gonna go straight in. We're gonna take it's also by e.l.f. and it's the Professional Eyeshadow Brush. We're gonna go in with the Real Girl right here. This fluffy brush right here, just to blend out this interesting thing we got going on here. I'm gonna go for a pinkish color because I have a pink shirt on and I have pink jeans on. This looks white, but this is actually a light pink. And we're gonna go in with the eyeshadow brush right here, and then after that I'm gonna go back with this to blend it out. So we're just gonna take a little bit of Love Letter, and as you can see, this is really, there's a lot of fallout, but it's also really opaque. We're just gonna put that in really like the ends. We're gonna just put that at the ends of our eyes. So like right here. It's like a cute smoky eye. It's cute. It's cute. You guys like it so far? Comment down below if you guys are watching this video. I'm just gonna darken it just a little bit more, and we're gonna use Cypress Umber. Ashley, what's wrong with me? We're just gonna go in for this one right here, and we're just gonna put it just on the crease of your eyes. Next, we're gonna go back in with that eyeshadow brush right here, and we're just gonna go back in with Love Letter just to make it a little bit more of a rosy color. I wonder if anyone has done 100 layers of eyeshadow. Next, we're gonna go in with the eyeshadow brush again, and we're gonna go back in with Golden Archer that we did in the beginning, just so that we can go back to doing the inner corners again. So that just gives it that nice transition, you know. I gotta look right there. I got to look right there. Stop looking over here. It's so weird. We're gonna go in Vermeer. I'm just gonna do that. And we coated this nicely with the brush. I'm just gonna do that for the inner corners of my eyes. Perfect. Because my eyes are so dramatic and so big and dark and smoky, I'm not gonna put on eyeshadow. I'm not gonna put on because my eyes, oh my god, because my eyes are so extreme and stuff like that, and they're so dark like this, I don't think I'm gonna put on any eyeliner. Oh my god. Let's get to it. I'm just gonna put on some mascara. This is the, oh my god, like, don't know what this is anymore. This is, I think this is from CoverGirl. So we're just gonna put on some mascara. Oh, don't wanna be alive! That is my makeup tutorial on how to put on my makeup. This is how I put on my makeup. This is like my everyday kind of thing. I like an extreme eye. And I promise you, I will try to post another video sooner or later. If you guys are, if anyone who's watching my video, you can follow my social media down there in the description below. If you guys want to go follow me, you can go down there below. Hopefully I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.